Welcome. In this session, we are going to understand logistic regression predicting the response variable. Let's get started. The originally fitted model, Attree-Logi Model 2, not only explains the relationship between the response variable and the independent variables, but also provides a mechanism to predict the value of the response variable from the values of the new independent variables given to the system. This is done as shown here. So what exactly we are going to do? We are going to create a new data frame using the function data.frame. We are going to provide the variable values for years experience, work challenging, work environment, compensation, technical expertise. Finally, we are going to use the predict function and we are going to predict the new predicted data. We are going to specify it to the function using this new data feature. Using this new data property, using the model 2, we are going to predict whether the prediction for attrition will be yes or no, and finally we are going to get the value out. So once we are done with this, we take the value of attrition as yes if the probability returned by the prediction is greater than 0.5, and we take the same as no if the probability returned by the prediction is not greater than 0.5. As you can see in the preceding code, the value is far below 0.5, so we can safely assume that attrition is equal to no. So this will be computed as soon as we proceed to the demo further. The preceding prediction is determined by using the function predict, in which you have to specify the model name, the new data, that is the data frame name, and the type response. Model name is the name of the model which we have used, which we have arrived from the input data, and new data contains the data of the independent variables for which the response variable has to be predicted, and type response is required to ensure that the outcome is not logit of y. So now let's get started. We are going to do the stuff. So here we are going to perform prediction of new independent of new data using our model. So in order to do that, what exactly we are going to do, we're going to create a data frame, and this data frame will have specific information like work experience. So we're going to use work experience. The first one was years of experience. We're going to quickly check the iteration data, years underscore experience. So let's say if somebody has an experience of 3 years, okay, then what exactly we need to do is, the second information we need is work challenging. So we are going to check if work challenging and is equal to, so we have yes no value here. So if somebody has challenging work, okay, then the third information will be work environment. So we like to specify if the work environment is, the values for work environment will be excellent and low. So let's say if the work environment is low, and then we are going to specify the information for compensation. Let's say compensation is equal to excellent. So compensation is one of the factors which was considered. So if the compensation is excellent and the final information is technical experience, and if the technical experience is equal to excellent, let's say if someone has a high excellent, CELLENT, excellent this. So this is the data frame which we are going to create. So this is the data frame which we just created. So we're going to put that into, let's call it as my df new data. We're going to put that into this. So now let's just execute. So once we have created this information, so we have got the data frame for new data. Now we are going to use the predict information. We are going to use our Attree-Logi Model 2, and we're going to specify new data, and this new data will be our df new data which we just created, and the third information will be the response information, that the type information, and the type should be response. So the type is response, so we have got the complete information here. So now what we are going to do, we are going to test this prediction, and we are going to put the attree predict information into this. So now we are going to execute this line of code, and once we execute this line of code, now what we want to do is we are going to execute the attree predict. So we are going to run this, and once we run, so we get the information as 0.6074711. So this means it's greater than 0.5, so the probability of yes of no is high. So here is greater, so now what we have is the attrition is yes, because the prediction value is greater than 0.5. So now the thing is, in case if the user we have got this prediction in which if the user has 3 years of experience and he has challenging work, but his work environment is low and the compensation is excellent and the technical experience is excellent, so he's most likely to stay in the organization, and the attrition will be yes. So this is how we can quickly predict the information. Now once we're done with prediction of the information, we can proceed towards checking the validity of our logistic regression model. Thank you so much for watching.